Hey all amateurs, this is a quick video how to change the brake pad in Toyota Avalon. Mine is 2014. I believe everything else is the same for all other models. Basic tools that you need. It's a wrench to unscrew the bulb. I'm using a little pipe for extra strength at the lever. Number 14 nut and number 17, some zip tie to hold the caliper up, and the clamp to put the caliper in. Some little other tools, and obviously my brakes. So very quickly, I already loosened that. There are two screws that holding the caliper in, and that's the one. I already loosened that up, and there is another one, right? So sometimes it's very tight, I noticed, and that screw turns on itself, so you need that number 17 wrench to hold this one in place while you're turning and this one. After that, it's kind of simple. Let me put my camera back. Ew. There you go. That's a good shot. So yeah, let's change that really quickly. Like I said, I loosened those bolts already. 1, 2. I'm gonna take my zip tie. Whoa, okay, so it's always safe to hang that. You don't want this to fall. If it's fall, it's gonna break that line. That's a major problem. So I'm usually alright, now it's in place. Alright, so what happened here? Where's the other one? Okay. Alright, so very quickly. Oh, sorry. We have those shit. We have those two springs that helps the brake pads to stay away from the to stay apart. So they came out right away. So just to keep them in mind. So you gotta remove them. The new usually comes in with the new brake pads. Okay. There is on the bottom of each pad there is that clip that I believe doesn't come with the brakes, so it has to be removed. My brakes are fairly new. They are brand new actually. I'm just replacing them because they're squeaking. They had been replaced on the gas station and they used the cheap ones, so I'm replacing them. I bought the original ones from Toyota. So like you see, they already added the grease recently. So it's kind of advised to add the grease if you don't have it. On the bottom and on the top, right? Because the caliper moves back and forth. So in order to remove that, you need the screwdriver to press that pin, and it comes out really easily. So yeah, let me do that. Nice. Okay, There you go. So just push that in and okay. One. And the clip goes on the bottom, and the same thing on the other side. All right. The brakes are symmetrical and then the same on both sides, so it doesn't matter. Alright, so I got the brand new pins that was showing you before and original brakes from Toyota. Right? So I'm throwing the old ones out since I have the new ones. I'm gonna put them later. Now, those pins. What's happening? Oh. Okay. All right, so there is another spring in there, so we just have to play around how we putting that in. So we'll just put that in and kind of twist. Yeah, I'm gonna play around with this. You can help yourself maybe. Oh, there you go. That was easy. Yep. Oh no, what's happening? Yeah, you gotta press it down. On. And another one, right? So this goes. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright, and now those clips, they pushing the brakes apart. So what I did last time, I prepared my caliper. Okay, I got my caliper ready. Now don't forget, like I said, my brakes are brand new, but this is already a little bit out, so it's not, I don't think I'm gonna be able to fit that. So I'm using my old brake and I'm using the clamp. Okay. That's it. Let's take this out. Before, when I didn't have the clamp, I used to use those two of those keys and kind of like lever out, and you can just kind of like push that in that way, but it's much harder and it slips out, so I got that clamp. Alright, so now the caliper is ready. Okay, you gotta be careful. And now those little springs, they go into the brake pads, and you gotta hold them because it spreads them apart. Okay. And then, okay, the caliper. Just hold them in place and put the caliper in, and then the caliper holds it. Okay. Put the screws back in. Okay. 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 That's it. Hello, hello. The brake spots are changed. Wow, it's 11 minutes. Alright, well, like I said, I'm an amateur, and that took me 11 minutes per wheel. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you change the brakes. Yeah, alright. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps. Thank you. Bye-bye.